Nearly 23 kilometres of smooth bike roads, giant deity overlooking the sea, and coasting across Hong Kong's second largest dam. We're hunting down Hong Kong's 10 best bike rides, right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to Drone and Phone, a brand new series today. We are chasing down Hong Kong's 10 best bike rides. Today is the first episode and I'm here with experienced cyclist Rob, who's going to be with me for all 10 episodes.
Hi DJ.
What are we doing today?
Well, today we're having a very easy ride. We're going to start off with a short loop around the bay here, heading down along the coast here, round past the deity, and then we're heading over to a dam. Could you just fill in where we're going exactly?
Okay. So we're heading basically down from Ma On Shan, down to Tai Po, across past Pat Sin Leng and over to the Tai Mei Tuk Dam. It should be a reasonably easy day. We think we can do it in 2 or 3 hours. Let's get going.
Off we go.
Hong Kong's trail network offers unparalleled options for hikers with a plethora of routes densely packed into the region. The sport lacks for nothing. When it comes to cycling though, the options still lag behind. So we're out on a road trip to find Hong Kong's 10 best bike rides, to find a variety of terrain and routes to suit just about every level of rider. To reach our starting point in Ma On Shan, we took the mass transit railway to Wu Kai Sha station, where we'll join the New Territories cycle track network. If you're travelling with a bike, be sure to travel off-peak so there's plenty of space for your gear. At Wu Kai Sha, take exit A1, then an elevator to the road below where you'll join the cycle network. In the station, staff might ask you to remove the front wheel, leaving you to manoeuvre your bike with just one wheel. The current cycle track network has opened up new possibilities for those wanting to explore the New Territories by bike. Today we're riding a small portion of it along a fairly straightforward 23-kilometre long route. Bikes can be rented along the network. Some shops allow bikes to return at various destinations. Our journey proper starts on Ma On Shan Promenade alongside the expansive Tolo Harbour. With clear views across, Junshan's monastery's Guan Yin statue stands out in the landscape. There's a nice leisurely feel to the area with no end of places to stop and take in the views. Some relaxed pedalling brings us to the entrance of the Xingmen River, where Shatin's annual dragon boat races take place. We cross a small bridge and carry on. While the cycle network is car-free, be on the lookout for clusters of other cyclists and pedestrians appearing out of nowhere, and remember to look both ways before pulling out. Weekdays you'll encounter fewer cyclists or pedestrians, so it's a good time to take children on a ride. Soon enough we cross another bridge and we wind our way over to Hong Kong Science Park. So we're just outside the university now. I want to explain where we've been. So we started over here in Ma On Shan. You can pretty well go right to the end there, start all the way across, come down through past Sha Tin, and now we're heading off over to here, which is Tai Po, and then again past underneath Pat Sin Leng. And we're going to finish up right over there along the Tai Mei Tuk Dam, as you can see in front of me there. Beautiful day. The Science Park offers a few places to buy refreshments and areas to relax in. If you're looking for an Instagram-worthy landmark, the Charles K. Cow Auditorium, in the shape of a golden egg, awaits you. The stretch of road along Pak Shek Kok Promenade gives us an opportunity to build up a nice pace before we cross another bridge heading in the direction of Tai Po. Pushing on, we lose sight of the harbour for a while as we skirt around an industrial estate. Well, we've just completed the part where we're pretty well always on the sea, right next to the sea, and we've started the next section which takes us inland a little bit over to Tai Mei Tuk. This part is not as picturesque, not as peaceful as you can see with the cars on either side and occasionally having to stop, as we are going to do here. as we see we're having to cross roads. So not as fun, but still we've got to get to our prize. Passing Patsin Leng, where things quieten down a little, we come close to the Chun Shan Monastery and its towering deity. On the ground, the statue almost juts out from the top of the buildings. Viewed from the air, it becomes a centerpiece. With no cars to contend with, we pick up speed, passing through Tai Mei Tuk's bike rental capital. On a weekend, the area is abuzz with the hustle and bustle of colourful parasols on 3 wheels. Some stretches of the area less than scenic, but the odd floral bloom reaches out with a flurry of colours. Coasting into Tai Mei Tuk, look out for a very colourful mosaic wall. Pass through the gate next to it for a short pedal up the hill to Plover Cove Country Park, where the final stretch of the journey awaits. The reservoir is one of the territory's largest. From the dam we get to enjoy expansive views, a rewarding end to our journey. Well, that's it for this episode. We've done about 25 kilometres. It's been an absolutely cracking day. How was it for you?
I loved it, especially the dam section where you saw the people just hanging out, riding their bikes, old people, young people. I loved it.
A lot of people on the trail, but a lot of fun. Very flat, easygoing, great for the family. Now, if you're just finding this for the first time, you'll find all of our other 10 best bike rides on this channel on YouTube. Search for Drone and Phone, or on our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Robbie.
And this is Drone and Phone. You've got to say Drone and Phone.
This is Drone and Phone.